Hello everyone, welcome to Prime Tech Data and GIS Solutions, and today I'll be taking you through Introduction to ArcMap Interface. When you just install your ArcGIS desktop version, this is the kind of interface you have. But to make your workspace more interactive and to make your operations quite seamless, and then you have to activate additional features. And the first one will be the table of contents, otherwise known as TOC. uh, it shows the content on your map. This is your data view. This is where everything you are doing on your software will be displayed. So this table of content contains the layers that are present that are being displayed on this workspace. And the next one is a catalog. This catalog is it belongs to the data storage and retrieval subsystem of GIS. So through the catalog, you will be able to connect to wherever your data is saved on your computer. So for me, I save my data on my desktop. To be able to retrieve them within the ArcGIS environment, then I have to connect to my desktop. That's what I just did right here. Click once and then click OK. And the next one is the search icon. Uh, Provided you are looking for a feature in your software, you don't know where exactly it is, just type uh, it in this search box, and you'll be able to know where the tool is, or go through this search box to use the tool. So let me look for generate X and Y. Yeah, so you could look for whatever thing you want to do with this, and uh, work with them. That said, we'll be moving to the Act2 box. So this Act2 box, it's just like when you go to a mechanic workshop, you see there are two boxes that contain several tools of different sizes, and they serve different functions. So this Act2 box works the same way, and it contains tools that you will require for further works as we journey in this training. Now these windows have intruded into our workspace. So what we need to do is to dock them. So we call them dockable windows. So just come to this blue pane and double click, and then it gets docked. And then the same thing for table of contents, and the same thing for search. You can navigate between catalog and search just beneath here. And then you could see that this table of contents and ActuBox are intruding to the workspace. And so we can use this auto hide button to hide our ActuBox, and it's right here. All right, the next thing we'll be considering is the extensions that are required to work in the ArcGIS environment. So you can just come to customize and come to these extensions, and then you see them. Originally, they will not be checked originally, but once you come here, just activate them one after the other because they are required for so many operations within the ArcGIS environment. And then I'll take you through the toolbars that we have in ArcGIS environment. So it's either you come to customize and to toolbars to access them, they are labeled alphabetically, or you come to this empty space right here, right click, and you have access to them. So assuming you are to activate your editor tool, just come to your editor tool, click on it here, and the same way we docked these other tools, you can just double click right here and it docks it for you right here. So let me bring in my georeferencing tool right here, click on it. It's either you double click or you drag by yourself to wherever you want it to be, to wherever you want it to be. So I can decide to drop my georeferencing tool here. Let me look for one more, probably the draw tool, and drag it up as I want. I mean, to any position where I want. And yeah, so those are the few things I would like you to know while trying to navigate through your ArcGIS environment. And before I go, this is, as I've explained earlier, this is your data view where you have your data, and everything you have right here will be displayed as layers on this table of contents. And then this is your layout view where you produce or embellish your map. This is where you embellish your map, where you had the necessary features to your map. But this is the data view where you produce the map, where you aggregate your layers, where you aggregate your data. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to like this video. Going forward, if you have comments, questions, please drop them into the chat box as well as your feedbacks. Thank you very much and see you later.